Our self-directed courses are all for individuals who want to pursue learning around growth and improvement at their own pace. And so what they get to do is work through a variety of different methods and tools and resources, all while they have an online coach supporting them along the way. We have a variety of different courses in different categories. So we have courses that are around culture in the workplace and developing innovation culture. We have courses that have to do with navigating the innovation system and the pathways to launching your idea and having it spread and adopted widely. And in addition to that, we also have several courses that are around how do you tell the story of your idea or your improvement so that other folks can use your learning to help drive their own growth. So each of the courses is built around a 4-week plan, and each week the learner gets to go online and navigate the different materials. That might be watching videos, reading articles, participating in discussions, and then reflecting on that learning to connect it to the work they're actually doing in practice. So each week they'll get to check in with a coach, talk about how they're embedding their learning in their actual work on a day-to-day basis, and then reflecting on their growth through a framework for self-assessment.